Today we're fixing the Towbar on this E-Class 220 Convertible Mercedes. This is the Witter MR44Q Towbar bracket, and this is the swan neck. First we're going to take off the bumper cover. There's some fittings this side and that side, and there, and there, and some under here, and some under there, and some there and there. And you need to make sure you take off the parking sensors, and the rest should just unclip off. This is the rear light unit, which we've taken off, so it's easier to get the bumper cover off. It comes off by unplugging these fittings, unscrewing these fittings here, which you just take from behind, and the wire just clips off, and then you just slide it off. Now we're going to undo the rear bumper. There's two nuts there on the outside, two there on the inside, there's another two that side and another two on the outside there. We've got all the nuts off, and now we're just going to take off the rear bumper. Cut some slits in the bumper seals, and now we're just fitting side arms. Just put them in, and then get a bolt, and then they go one in there and one in there. Find there you go. And then we need to put one in there. We've fitted the side arms and we've kept them slack. And now we're just going to fit the crossbar. We've fitted and tightened all the bolts in the crossbar. We've fitted in the swan neck and the light socket, and we've run the wires through there and out there. And now we're just going to cut a hole in the bumper cover. There you go. Now we're just going to fit the bumper cover. and now we just need to put all the fixings in. There's one there and there's one at the other side. There's a couple here at the wheel arch. There's a couple there. There's two under here. There's one there and one there. And it's the same at that side. Now we're going to refit the lights and wire up the toolbar. We've put in all the tow-bar wiring. We've fitted the vehicle specific kit. We've put the socket here and it just folds away. We've put the blue connector with the fuses in there. These are the data cables. The black goes with the brown and red, and the yellow goes with the brown. We've put the earth there, and we're gonna fit the module there. And now all we need to do is put the boot cover on there, and then we're done.